Today, I'm gonna show you how to make my grandma's rum cake. All right, so first you're gonna need a bundt pan, and you're gonna need to grease your bundt pan. Just gonna flour the bottom a little bit.
Oh, interesting.
Because we're gonna flip this at the end. Spoiler alert.
Oh, okay.
And you wanna be able to get the cake out of the pan.
Oh.
And now, we're gonna add some chopped walnuts. We get this out of the way, and we're gonna start mixing the batter. All right, first you're gonna add 1 package of yellow cake mix. But you know, somewhere in like the 1950s, people just got lazy and just started using canned and packaged everything. Now we're gonna add, what I think is interesting, a package of vanilla pudding mix.
Oh, you can really smell that like instantly. Woo. Yeah. Can we get some thumbs up for chocolate pudding?
This is vanilla though.
I know, but it has to be said, chocolate pudding's the best.
Non sequitur, give me a thumbs up for lemon.
Ah, Jesus, then non sequitur.
I know what that means.
Breaking out the terms, I don't.
All right, now it's time to make our dry mix wet. Add 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. That's going straight to your thighs. And now 4 eggs.
4 eggs. It's bulking food. Again with that spoon cracking the eggs.
This is my thing, man.
Just use the side of the bowl like a normal person.
Who wants to see the one-handed? Are you ready?
You can do that?
No.
No.
Oh no!
Oh god, Dennis. Oh hey, that's.
I didn't see a shell. Yeah, person will find out later.
Yeah, we'll find out later.
Do I try again?
There's only one way to get good at something. Oh, damn.
Oh, I think I figured it out. You just gotta really bang it. Like.
Pause.
Yeah, now we're just gonna mix it up.
Oh, awesome.
Where's the rum gone? Ah, there we go.
Dennis, would you like to present our rum sponsor for the evening?
No, they're not paying us.
Yep, not a cent.
I will say, you definitely want dark rum. I like to go with something kind of piratey, and it's gonna be a 1/2 cup of this as well.
Yeah.
Oh my, it smells like a shot. This whole time you should have been preheating your oven at 325. And if you didn't, start now.
Yeah. I mean, who watches the video and bakes at the same time? I mean,
The one guy who just gave a big dislike.
Ooh, yeah.
And let's start.
It's like the forge scene from The Hobbit. Just molten cake.
Now that's gonna bake for an hour. While that's happening, you can make your glaze and drink the rest of this bottle of rum. Don't do that. First, we're gonna put in a whole stick of non-salted butter. And now for the secret of why anything tastes delicious. A cup of sugar. So I almost forgot, you have to let this glaze come to a boil, and then you wanna keep stirring it for an additional 5 minutes. And then once you're ready, you can take it off the heat and add the rum. Now, we're gonna add our 1/2 cup of rum. Good God. Oh, look at that. What?
Jesus.
My mom adds extra rum too. Now we're gonna try flipping.
Oh, there we go.
Woo!
Nice. Pretty bulbous. Looks like a giant donut. Pour some sugar on me, oh, in the name of love.
So this to make sure it goes down the sides as well.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh yeah.
so much.
Oh my gosh. There's so much rum in this cake.
Mm-hmm. The longer it has to soak up the rum, the better it's gonna be. You taste it?
I can definitely taste rum. I'll tell you what.
That's the dinner special, baby. I added twice as much. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you want me to add more rum to Brenton's cake.
I do get pretty funny when I'm...
Whew. Gotta go to my second AA meeting this week.